Model 2013 Vauxhall MOVANO recovery truck bed is in good order. Full aluminium bed, perfect recovery truck body, white, recovery mileage, 152,893 engine, 2,299 cc 2.3125 PSE 5D transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner will start by tow start. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: top-class aluminium bed, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, part service history, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on